How to make list private on Twitter. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make your Twitter list private quickly and easily. So first of all, you have to open the Twitter application on your mobile device and make sure that it's updated to the latest version. You also have to make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now, once you have opened the Twitter application, go to the top left corner and then click on your profile picture. Now from here, scroll down and select Settings and Support. And from this interface, you're supposed to click on the list option that is between the jobs and spaces option. Simply tap on it. Then you will come across a whole new interface. Now from here, you will be able to view your list. But as I have not created or followed any list, it's not visible over here. When you do, they will show up right here. So when you have a list, select the list you want to edit. And you will have the option to edit list, and you will also see the option to make it private. Turn on the private option and remember to click save to apply the changes. So that's all for this video. So this is exactly how you can make list private on Twitter. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel.